Hey guys, MD95TSI here. What do you guys think of my Phantom now? I took all the lights and stickers off of it, and I think it looks nice and clean now. So this is how all my stuff is, always clean and not looking all stickered up and whatnot. I'm nothing against Justin, but I'm just that type of guy, and Justin did not do those stickers on it anyway. So I wanted to share with you guys what I've done here. It's taken a lot of work to get us to where this is. So this is still the original shell and everything. But I want to share with you guys on what it is. And I might be putting a gimbal on here, I'm not sure. But this camera does really well. So if you guys don't know, it doesn't have a smart battery. It takes just a battery pack, just like what we're used to with our other drones. And I have 2 packs. Justin bought me a brand new battery for this also. But there you have it. Phantom 1. I call it the FC40, but if you guys know Phantom, tell me, because it says on the bottom model P330D. So let me know what you guys think. Is it the FC40? I'm wanting to say it is, from what I've read and everything I've done it. But there it is. What do you think of it now on what it looks like? Nice and clean.